How to use the color wheel for grading in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the video clip you want to color grade. Drag the clip onto the timeline and select it. Next, go to the effects panel and search for lift gamma gain effect. You will find it under the color correction section. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now open the effect stack panel where you will see controls for lift, gamma and gain. These represent the shadows, midtones and highlights of your video respectively. Adjust the lift controls to change the color and brightness of your shadows in your video. Drag the color picker or sliders to cool down or warm up the dark areas. Use the gamma controls to adjust the midtones. This lets you fine-tune the overall color balance and exposure of the middle range tones. Then modify the gain controls to affect the highlights. This controls the brightness and color tint of the lighter part of your footage. Play back your video to preview the changes and continue adjusting lift, gamma and gain until you achieve a balanced and cinematic look. Now you know how to use the color wheel for grading in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.